Here also in the pictures you can see, while turning on a tap, here also the forces are acting in dual directions. Okay, dual directions means opposite direction but in equal quantities. Then here also, while tightening the cap or while opening the cap, while turning a key in the lock, two forces are being acted there. Turning a steering wheel. So just go through it once and you have to remember this line. This is very important. Two equal and opposite parallel forces not acting along the same line form a couple. A couple is always needed to produce the rotation. So a couple is basically a combination of two equal and opposite forces, and without this couple, rotational effect cannot be produced. Then next is we have to find out, or we have to demonstrate the action of this couple forces. So here we have to find out, in other words, we have to find out the moment of couple. Okay, the moment of couple is equal to either force. You don't have to take the sum of both the forces. You have to take either force because both are equal in magnitude, and we have to multiply it with the perpendicular distance between the two forces. Now to demonstrate it, we have this picture here. This AB, at AB we are applying forces in two directions. One force is in upwards direction and one force is in downward direction, and here they are pivoted at point O. The perpendicular distance. Okay, first let us take the moment of force F at the end A. Here, because of this force which is being acted upon point A, because of this, what will be the moment produced? So this depends upon the force F, and the perpendicular distance from the pivot and to the end where the force is applied. So the perpendicular distance is OA. Clear? Then we have to find out the moment of force F at the end B. End B में कितना moment of force लग रहा है और end A में कितना लग रहा है. तो end A we have calculated and end B, ये किस पर डिपेंड करेगा, कितना फोर्स हम अप्लाई कर रहे हैं और कितना परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस है इस फोर्स और इस पाइवट पॉइंट के बीच में. तो यहाँ पर कितना डिस्टेंस है, अगेन ओ बी. अब हमें क्या निकालना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मोमेंट ऑफ कपल. हमें इस फोर्स एफ अकेले का या इस फोर्स एफ अकेले का नहीं निकालना है, हमें इसका कपल का निकालना है, मतलब इसके कॉम्बिनेशन का मोमेंट ऑफ फोर्स निकालना है. तो मोमेंट ऑफ फोर्स ऑफ कपल, तो उसी को हम लोग क्या कर दे रहे हैं, मोमेंट ऑफ couple. Moment of couple in totality will be sum of these two. It means F into OA plus F into OB. Taking F common from here, what we have is OA plus OB. OA plus OB, what we get ultimately is OB. So sorry, what we get ultimately is AB. So here we have AB. AB is basically the distance between these two forces which are present in the couple. So we have proved this taking this illustration. Thus we define the moment of couple as the moment of a couple is equal to the product of either force and the perpendicular distance between the line of action of both the forces. We have to take this full distance while we are calculating the moment of couple.